for power off. So I go to safety and security, power off, power off. Okay, so the power is off. Okay, now I have to remove that panel on the back of the glove box. So here goes. That's out. Okay, now I have to replace it with this plug. Okay, here goes. It's done. Now, I'm going to put this in there. This is not easy. Okay. That is done. So I have to run these over somewhere. Okay, the next step is to mount that under there, one on either side. So I'll just jack the car up and we'll get started. Okay, now I have to undo these screws. There, and this on here, and take this plate off. Okay, let's go. Okay, the bottom plate cover is all off. Now all I have to do is fit the exhaust. So let's do it. Okay, so it mounts on that one and on that one there. So undo that and put a bolt through that and sit it in there. Let's go. Okay, that's done. That's done. The other side is done. Now just got to put the wires through, hook it all up and see how we go. Okay, so now the fun part starts. We're going to run the wires up there somewhere. Doesn't tell you where to run them in the instructions, it just says there's one hole there to run the wire through. So I'll take this out and we'll have a look. Run the wiring in the booth, up the back there, and sounds good. Just got to put everything back together. Okay, that's it. It's all back together. We're going underneath in the boot. I'll do some sound tests later.
请直行，走中间两车道，550米后在第2个红绿灯路口左转，当前红绿灯路口请直行，走中间两车道，前方有连续违章拍照。